Did you ever wonder when reading about a new cyber vulnerability or a vendor's product notification if it affects you? Most likely the answer is yes. And you know how much time it used to take to find out if you need to bother with that CVE or notification. Now just imagine that the answer to that question was only a mouse click away. That's exactly what the OT-based asset lookup function does. On any web page, you can immediately look up known vulnerabilities, product order numbers, even IP addresses, MAC addresses, and serial numbers in your OT asset inventory. Let's check out how this works. Once that you have installed the OT-based Asset Lookup Chrome Extension, you will see a small OT-based icon next to any vulnerability identifier or CVE. In order to examine if that vulnerability affects your installed base, all you need to do is to click on the OT-based icon. This will launch the CVE profile of that vulnerability as stored in OT-base, which will also show any vulnerable devices along with their locations in a new browser window. So you will see right away which machines are affected, where they are located, and any additional details such as network connectivity and installed software or firmware. Now let's consider product notifications. For Siemens OT products, you will also see the small OT-based icon next to the order number. Click on the icon to launch the product profile from OT-base, which shows you where you have this product installed, even if it's not a standalone machine with its own IP address, but an interface card in a PLC rack. For Rockwell product notifications, you won't see the OT-based icon inserted in your web page, but you can search for a Rockwell product anyway by marking the product name, activating the context menu with right-click and selecting Search in OT-base. That works for software as well. Let's look at a search for Adobe Flash Player, which somebody just told you was plagued with cyber vulnerabilities. Mark the product name, open the context menu, select Search in OT-base, and there you have all your Flash Player installations. But it even gets better. Consider an inquiry that you receive from a contractor or coworker about a particular IP address, MAC address, or serial number. What device does it belong to? Again, you mark the item, activate the context menu and select Search in OT-base. Seconds later, you will see all the device details in the OT-base device profile. Just imagine how much time OT-based asset lookup will save you and your team. To learn more about OT-base, go to langner.com/OT-base.